welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to tell you how to make our own maze. So for that I need any papers, any size of marble, one glue and any box. You can even use a shoe box. So now let's start. You take any paper and start rolling it. Put the glue very properly so that it can stick well. And press it little bit so that it can be proper. Let me make more these type of so that you can see. Let's draw the pattern for our maze. You can draw any pattern. Let me show you. Like this. You keep making one pattern you like. Look now. Now let's paste these papers on our pattern. Let me mark the exact point. Let's paste. Like this. Let me cut them accordingly and then I will paste with you. As you can see, I have put them on the right place. Let's paste it together. It is done now. So take your marbles. I have 2 marbles. I'm going to take one. Place your marble on your starting point. Look guys, it's so amazing. This is how you are being able to play with it. Wow. watching. Bye.